Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create 2024 recap video editing using CapCut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open up your CapCut application on your mobile phone, and to create the 2024 recap video, we're going to use the CapCut templates. So we need to go to the templates right here. Okay, and here in the template you can go to the search menu and then try to search for the 2024 recap. Okay, and there will be some templates you can use to create the 2024 recap video. And then, for example guys, I'm going to select this template. Okay, and then we're going to replace the videos in this template with our own videos. I'm going to click on use template right here. Okay, and as you can see, we have to prepare 58 items from our gallery. You can either choose photo or video from your gallery, and I'm going to select video. Wait guys, I'm just going to select a random video from my gallery. You have to prepare 58 items, don't forget. Okay, I'm just going to pick a random video like this. Okay, and now 58 items have been selected, and we're going to click on next, and we need to wait until 100%. Okay, now it's done guys, and you will be able to customize the template if you want. You can change the music and change the text, and I'm just going to use this one. Okay, it's still loading guys. Okay, and you can change the music right here by clicking on the audio, and you can select the audio that you like, and I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm going to use the original audio from the template. Okay, and then I'm going to show you the final result. And then you can click on export, and if you want to export it without CapCut watermark, you can select export without watermark, and after the video has been exported, you will be able to upload it to your TikTok or Instagram. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create 2024 recap video editing on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.